So make a slip knot, put it on your needle, tighten it up, but not too tight. Then holding the yarn under your fingers, take your pointer and thumb, split the yarn, the tail and the ball end yarn, like so. Open up your fingers. You're still holding the yarn with your other fingers. So the long tail cast on is thumb, finger, and then through the thumb. And then tighten it up, but not too tight. Thumb, finger, through the thumb. And then let go. And then quickly, it looks like this. Okay, slowing it down, thumb, finger, through the thumb, and off. And you just keep going until you get the amount of stitches you would like.